Hello guys, so today we have a new vlog, and today's vlog we have two comparison between the smartphone or our iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is this side, and also the Sony ZV-1 or compact camera. So today we'll make a side-by-side comparison, video comparison actually for vlogging. So we'll make a comparison between these two devices, and yeah, but again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So regarding photography, of course. So ayan, let's start vlogging. And again, on my left side, I'm using the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and for the right side, I'm using the Sony ZV-1. So specs wise, there's a lot of video vlog regarding specs of both device, and but on this vlog we will do side by side again video. We are recording 4K 24p and full auto. Also in our ZV-1 camera, it's program mode, full auto program mode, and also both device we use the built-in microphone, and we don't use any external microphone. So yeah, to be fair. So again, check the solid sound quality. This is the sound quality of the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this is the sound quality of the Sony ZV-1. So yeah, let's go to in low light. So let's check the low light capability with these two device. So yeah, okay, let's go outside. Yeah, so again, this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this is the Sony ZV-1. So again, the good thing when using the Sony ZV-1, it's you have the flip screen and also on 1-inch sensor compared for our iPhone 13 Pro Max. And yeah, regarding for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, it's, I mean, this is your daily camera, your daily device that you are always in your pocket. So one of the big factor to use your mobile is it's already always in your pocket. Yeah, even the Sony ZV-1 is a pocket camera, but I don't think this is a must that you have always in your pocket. Sometimes even if we will go for a walk, we will bring our mobile because it's very important. And yeah, we have lots of contacts. And yes, about the Sony ZV-1, of course, for sure that you will use only for photo and to take some videos. So I don't think every time it's always in your pocket. So this is one of the good things when you have your iPhone 13 Pro Max or any 14 or any smartphone device to use for vlog. So yeah, I think both of the camera, both of the device is very useful. Yes, either you have your smartphone or your compact camera. So again, for me, I love these two devices. I have my iPhone, and I have a camera which is not compact as ZV-1, but it's crop sensor, and yeah, it's not a handy, it's not pocket camera. So I'm planning to have this Sony ZV-1, inshallah. So yeah, and I think that's the comparison for today. Again, this is the quality of the iPhone 13 Pro Max without anything, and also the ZV-1. Yeah. So yeah, I think this is for the side-by-side comparison, and also the audio. So yeah, I think that's, again, if you want to know more about our products, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So all the Sony product is available to our website. So yan, hanggang dito lang guys. Thank you and mabuhay.